my rescue whenever I'm afraid. Who's the one that truly loves me like no one else in the world? You'll always be my hero. Forever I'll be yours. Maybe I'm your weakness. Maybe I'm your strength. Nobody's supposed to be perfect, but you're perfect all the same. The way you hold us together, keep us safe, safe and secure. You'll always be my hero. Forever I'll be yours. I'll hide behind your cape and then we'll fly away if trouble ever comes knocking. The one I look up to, how could I feel your shoes falling in the footsteps you walk in? Someday when I get older, you'll walk me down that aisle. There might be a ring on my finger, but I'll still be wearing your smile. Not a soul could ever replace you. That's the one thing I know for sure. You'll always be my hero. Forever I'll be yours. You'll always be my hero. Forever